Imagine stepping outside and being greeted by a perfectly curated outdoor seating area. This space isn't just for sitting, it's where you unwind, entertain, and create memories. The right decor can transform your outdoor seating area into a stunning, functional retreat that keeps you wanting to spend more time outdoors. First, let's talk about seating styles. A chic, modern outdoor space can benefit from sleek, low-profile furniture. Think clean lines and neutral tones for a contemporary vibe. But if you're after something more cozy and inviting, consider cushioned seating with bold patterns or earthy textures. Wicker or rattan furniture adds a natural, rustic charm, especially when paired with soft throw pillows and blankets. For a small balcony or patio, space-saving seating is key. A bistro set with foldable chairs not only adds style but also functionality. It's perfect for sipping morning coffee or enjoying a quiet evening. Alternatively, built-in benches with storage underneath offer a clever way to maximize seating without crowding the space. Next, let's elevate the comfort level with cushions and textiles. Swap out standard outdoor cushions for plush, weather-resistant options in vibrant colors or trendy patterns. Layering rugs beneath your seating area instantly adds warmth and defines the space. Don't hesitate to mix and match textures. Think soft cotton throws with jute rugs for a balanced, inviting feel. Now let's set the mood with lighting. String lights or fairy lights draped over your seating area create a magical ambience as the sun sets. Lanterns placed on side tables or hung from overhead beams offer a cozy glow that encourages late-night conversations. For a modern twist, opt for solar-powered LED floor lamps that double as statement pieces during the day. To personalize the space, think about incorporating unique accents. Outdoor poufs or ottomans provide extra seating while doubling as footrests or small tables. Mix in some plant stands with lush greenery or vibrant flowers to bring life to the space. Planters with trailing vines or potted trees can act as natural dividers, creating a more intimate seating nook. For a more bohemian look, hang a hammock chair or swing to add a relaxed, whimsical element. If you have a larger outdoor area, consider sectional seating. These pieces allow you to arrange seating based on the occasion. Whether you're hosting a party or lounging solo, pair your sectional with a low coffee table for drinks, snacks, or even outdoor games. A fire pit in the center of your seating arrangement is a game changer, offering warmth and a focal point for gatherings. For the final touch, think about shade and shelter. Umbrellas, pergolas, or retractable awnings can provide relief from the sun and help define your outdoor seating zone. Adding outdoor curtains to your pergola or a canopy over your seating area not only offers privacy but also makes the space feel more like an extension of your indoor living room. Your outdoor seating area should feel like a personal escape, whether it's a compact balcony or a sprawling backyard. Keep experimenting with textures, layouts, and accessories until you find a combination that reflects your style and encourages you to spend more time enjoying the outdoors. With the right decor, your outdoor seating can become the ultimate retreat, one that you'll never want to leave. To truly complete the look and feel of your outdoor seating area, let's not forget the power of accessories. Small details can make all the difference. Consider adding decorative trays to your coffee table for drinks or snacks, or even for displaying small potted plants and candles. Trays make everything feel more organized and elegant, and they're easy to move around when needed. Another accessory worth considering is outdoor artwork. Yes, you heard that right. Art doesn't have to be limited to indoor walls. Weatherproof artwork like metal sculptures or durable framed prints can add a unique artistic touch to your outdoor seating area. Hang them on a nearby fence or exterior wall to give the space a stylish, curated look. For those cooler evenings, having a blanket basket nearby stocked with cozy throws is a great touch. Not only will it keep your guests warm and comfortable, but it also adds an extra layer of texture to the decor. Opt for neutral-colored blankets for a more sophisticated vibe, or choose bright, patterned throws to add a playful pop of color. Another important element is sound. Adding a discreet Bluetooth speaker or a hidden outdoor sound system